Welcome to Braylen AV. Although being a millionaire may seem impossible, it actually happens far more frequently than you might imagine. You may achieve financial success with the right advice. Here is 20 millionaire success tips. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Urgency. Being the type of person who sees opportunity and moves quickly to seize it. Millionaires don't hold out on making investments or starting a business until the ideal moment. Many of them understand that there is never a better moment to start producing money than right now. One of the easiest ways to diminish your aspirations is to wait. Get to work immediately on your goals. Number 2. Start making money ASAP. The ability to start making money early is one of the characteristics that the affluent share the most frequently and live by. Number 3. Go above. Many millionaires have a big picture perspective. They want to earn $10 million instead of simply $1 million. Number 4. Earn more. You place more emphasis on earning than saving. It goes without saying that the rich tend to be thrifty with their money. They are excellent at conserving wealth and making prudent purchases. But they also understand that investing some of their earnings is one of the greatest ways to increase their wealth. Number 5. Training. The greatest way to attain one's life objectives is to pursue training, which is the key to success. To prepare for a successful future in life and as a contributing member of society, it's crucial. No one, in my opinion, can overlook its significance. The difficulties one may encounter in life are lessened by education. The reason for it is, it's the secret to success, and a crucial instrument you will need in later life. Gaining as much training as you can is the best course of action since it is something you cannot lose. Number 6. Purchase items with cash. Cash flow is the key factor that distinguishes millionaires from everyone else in terms of how they manage their finances. If you can't pay in cash, don't buy it. Number 7. Set goals. The rich take the time to consider their long-term goals and ambitions. Then work to assure it's accomplished. Number 8. Have a plan of action. You may have big dreams of having millions in the bank. If you ever want to turn those dreams into reality, you'll need a plan of action. You must approach your finances backward. Set a particular amount of financial independence as a goal. Then figure out how much you must make in order to achieve that objective. You may begin to comprehend what it takes to attain it by breaking it down. You won't succeed if you skip this important phase since you won't have a strategy in place. Number 9. Automatically save money. You won't even know the money is gone if you set up an automated weekly withdrawal of a certain amount, allowing you to save and invest more. Number 10. Max out 401ks and IRAs. Future financial stress can be avoided by saving money for retirement. Contribute as much as you can as early as you can, even if you can't top up your accounts. Start immediately, even if it's only the bare minimum. Have a retirement plan and a mindset that encourages action and can lead to financial independence. A proven strategy to prevent yourself from becoming wealthy is to underuse retirement plans. Number 11. Financial stability. While having a stable financial life has many positive effects, achieving it takes effort, drive, and determination. This may be done by making a budget, paying cash when it's convenient, and finally paying off all debt. In addition to paying off previous debt, stay away from taking on any new ones. Number 12. Overcome self-doubt. Steps to achieve this include remembering accomplishments when something difficult resulted in triumph. Most accomplishments have started out with initial hesitation or doubt. It helps to remind ourselves of the times we made it through. Even if something didn't work out the first time, there is always another chance to succeed, just keep going. Number 13. Be resilient. Most millionaires have conquered failure, rejection, and fear, and their primary focus is on investing their energy in the future. Number 14. Be optimistic. People who earn millions of dollars rarely gripe, complain, or assign blame. Instead, they embrace difficulties and seek for solutions to overcome them. Number 15. Mental toughness. Have thick skin, since worrying about what other people think of you might prevent you from moving forward. Success can result from having mental toughness, since it helps one deal with pressure and overcome obstacles. Number 16. Get a successful mentor. It's no secret that your success may be influenced by the individuals you hang out with. Do you really believe that individuals who are unmotivated or lack a desire to achieve can encourage you to be more driven and upbeat if you spend the most of your time with them? In other words, start spending time with millionaires if you want to become affluent. This will not only keep you motivated, but you could also be able to locate a mentor who will teach you the ropes. If you don't know any millionaires directly, don't be hesitant to contact them via email or social media to begin developing a relationship. Number 17. Get better. You're continually working to get better. While having a college education can influence your net worth, it ultimately has little bearing on whether you'll become a millionaire or not. Even though Bill Gates is one of the most well-known college dropouts ever, he continues to study and pick up new skills in order to better himself. Grow in knowledge, wisdom, and learn from your past mistakes as you go along. Number 18. Document your progress. Success, in actuality, has diverse meanings to many individuals. It's financial security and independence for many. What's truly essential to me as an entrepreneur is the freedom to select how, when, and with whom I work. Without first understanding what you're aiming for, you can't even start to map your path to success. First, define this. Review it after writing it down. Clearly state what you think it will take to accomplish your goals. You'll have a clear plan of action when you are certain of your destination, and what must be done to get there. You will be well on your road to success if you are consistent in taking actionable measures every day. It often takes time to achieve financial stability. Achieving your financial goals gradually will boost your wealth, minimize stress, and improve your stability in general. Taking control of your financial situation is another excellent lesson you can impart to those who will follow you. We really hope you decide to move one step closer to realizing your financial objectives. Feel free to share this video. And please visit our description link below. Here, we have 2 more wealth building videos for you.